In this video, I will show you how to organize Google Keep. First, open up Google Keep. If you're on a computer like me, just go to keep.google.com in your browser. Once you're in, you can start organizing right away. One easy trick is to just drag your notes around and place them where you want. This is great for sorting things visually. Next, if you want to set reminders, just tap the little bell icon on a note. A drop down menu will pop up, and from there, you can choose when you want to be reminded. You can even set it for a specific time or location, which is super handy. Now, for even more organization, click the three dots on the bottom right of your note. This opens up more options. Here, you can add a label to your note, which helps a lot if you're managing different categories or projects. It makes everything easier to find later. And finally, if there's a really important note you want to keep at the top, just pin it. That way it stays front and center. And that's how you organize on Google Keep.